my name is Ida Helis. In today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Boxy Charm box for the month of December in 4K. I know I haven't done a Boxy Charm unboxing for a couple months now, but I am back, obviously, like you see me here. And I said a couple months that I was going to cancel the Boxy Charm subscription just because I haven't been super duper happy about like the products I'm getting. I'm getting like a bunch of products that I don't even in my life heard about, but like I am trying it, and even though they're like kind of off brands, they still work good. And just because they're not like the high-end brands and like all this stuff doesn't mean they're not gonna work. So I've been trying those out and they actually haven't been bad, so I still am doing the subscription. And this is how the box looks like on the outside. I'm just gonna give you guys a little opening, a little view of how it looks open. So this is the open box. That's how it looks like. Okay, so the first item I see here in my box is the super food called Glow Priming Moisturizer, and this is what the box looks like. It's just like a cute orange. It's by the brand called Beauties. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. I'm just going to be opening the box and showing you guys how that looks like. So this is a priming moisturizer. Just going to open it just to make sure. So I think it's going to be a little tinted. Yeah, it's like a little tinted. I'm just going to put that on my palm right here, on my hand. Just to see how that feels. It's very, yeah, I could tell it's very moisturized and it's not bad. And it doesn't leave any, it's not leaving any residue, so I like that. And it doesn't have any like weird smell. It just smells like basically nothing. It smells like nothing. I don't know, I don't even know how to explain that, but yeah. So this is the Beauties Super Food Glow Priming Moisturizer. And I'm just going to be looking in the little title here and seeing the price of this. So this right here is $49. And it says it will reveal a soft lift removing glow with an illuminary moisturizer. It's lightweight. It's a multi-use formula which leaves the skin hydrated. So I'm happy that I got this. I'm definitely going to be trying this before I put my makeup on and see how that works out. The next item in the box is the banana powder setting powder by the brand Ofra. So I have never heard of any of these brands, like I said before. I'm getting a lot of off brands. So let me open this out and see how that looks like. So very simple packaging. I like it. Very neutral. And this is what the banana powder looks like. And I'm just going to give a swatch, see how that works out. Let's see. So I like this. It like blends right into my skin. It's not like showing anything like chalky or anything. Like it looks really good, I feel like. So I'm happy that I got this in my box, and I'm going to be trying that out and see how that works out. It says that you could use this to conceal dark under eye circles, set as concealer, highlight under the eye area, the brow bone, and the bridge of the nose, the middle of the forehead, and the chin. And you can use this to set your foundation or matte eyeshadow. And the price of the banana powder is $35. So this banana powder here by Ofra Cosmetics is $35. And then here I am happy about this next item. I got one of the MAC lipsticks, and the color I got is called Candy Yum Yum, and it's this color right over here. I'm going to be swatching this on my hand. So this is the MAC lipstick. I'm sure lots of you guys have already seen MAC lipsticks in the past, and this is what the color looks like. Very pigmented. I barely even did a swatch. I did it very light, and this is the color. Very pigmented. I do like a lot of the MAC cosmetic products, so I'm happy that I got this. It is like a very extra color, so I'm happy that I got it, just because I don't like using I know nudes and all of that, they're good, but I like using things that pop out. For some reason, I'm that kind of person. And the next item I got in my box is some brushes by the Luxie company. And honestly, I don't know how these are going to work out, but they don't look bad. They have 5 brushes in here, and they're a cute color. They're just pink. And these are $45. So the Luxie Iconic Eye Set is $45. There's 5 different brushes. So it's perfect for a smoky eye, cut crease, or a bold cat eye. And it says it has brushes that are used to create flawless eye looks. And then the next item in my box is the Caliente Artist Couture eyeshadow palette. And I'm actually happy about this. It's like very different colors that I probably don't have in my eyeshadow palette. So here's like a very cute gold. And this color right here, this pink, it legit looks like the lipstick that I got from MAC. Obviously, I'm not going to use it together, but I'm just pointing that out. And one thing I like about this is like all the names in the back of the color is in Spanish. So the first color is called Cultura, the second one is Fuego, number 3 is Vibras, Mangorita, Rumba, Brillo, Mamacita, and Sensual. I was about to start speaking Spanish in this whole video now. Anyways, I like that. So I guess it's like a Spanish company. And that is the Artist Couture Caliente palette. It's $30. Okay, everybody, so I did the math, and in total, this whole box is worth $178. So I added up all the prices of every single item that I got on this box, and in total, this is $178. Most of the products I got is things I haven't heard before, but I am happy to try them out. And I'll give you guys like a little update, or maybe do like a makeup look using Boxy Charm products. I know I haven't done that in the past, but I think it's a good idea. So let me know in the comment section down below if you guys would like to see that. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this video. Don't forget to click the bell down below so you don't miss anything that I post on here. And I'll see you guys in the next video.